In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can make your iPhone flash when you get a call or notification. The iPhone's LED flash for alerts enhances accessibility for individuals with hearing impairments by providing a visual cue for incoming calls and notifications. To enable this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the accessibility option. You will then navigate onto the option of audio and visual. On this page, scroll down onto the last option of LED flash for alerts. Make sure to enable this option. Also enable this other option to also flash when your device is unlocked. For the last option, you can also enable it to also flash when in focus mode. That's how easy it is to enable LED flash for alerts on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.